Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog stairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the YoFit Doggy Steps. These plastic steps are covered by a removable, washable cover, which makes it easier for your pet to climb up with a sure footing. Each of the 3 steps has a 4-inch high rise for a total of 12 inches. This set works nicely for a sofa, but if you're getting it to help your pet climb up to your bed, you may need to get a taller set of stairs. The steps have 4 suction cups on the bottom to prevent slipping, and while they do serve that purpose, it can make it harder to move these steps around frequently, as the cups can be hard to pull off a tile or hardwood floor. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Sandinrayli Pet Easy 3 Steps. It will be a short 1, 2, 3 hop on up to the sofa for your smaller dog, puppy, or cat with this set of steps. Each landing is a nice and wide 5.9 inches, which will make your pet feel secure as they make their way up each 3.9-inch rise. The plastic stairs are lightweight and easy to move from space to space, say from the living room to the bedroom, and are covered in a soft material that's removable and washable. No tools are required to build the steps. They simply and easily snap together. At number 3, we have the PetSafe CozyUp Folding Pet Steps. These extra high steps give your dog or cat a safe and easy way to reach your bed. No jumping required. Each 6.25-inch rise step is covered with fabric tread covers, and there's a side rail to prevent accidental falls. The non-skid feet hold the steps securely in place to eradicate slipping and sliding. The stairs fold easily and can be stored under your bed or sofa. These steps are approved for use by pets up to 200 pounds. However, the brand notes they aren't made for larger dogs as the stairs have a narrow 7.5-inch landing. At number 2, we have the Trixie Pet Products MultiPurpose Bifold Ramp. If your older pooch is hesitant to hop into the car because of sore joints, yet too big for you to lift, a collapsible ramp is the answer you've been looking for. This durable plastic ramp has a non-slip coating and protective side rails and can be easily folded down to store in the trunk of your car or garage. The bottom features non-skid rubber feet that securely hold the ramp in place while your pooch walks up it. You could also try it outside to help your pup reach your deck. Just note that if you do, since it's black, you'll want to keep it in the shade, so it doesn't burn your pooch's paws. The plastic is washable with soap and water. And finally, at number 1, we have the PETMAKER Folding Plastic Pet Stairs. To help your dog or cat feel more confident scaling higher heights, these steps come with built-in side rails along each step. The steps themselves have a 4-inch rise and have covered in adhesive-backed felt to give your pup a secure foothold. Even with these safety features, the 15-inch wide step can seem too narrow for a larger dog, and you may find your larger breed is reluctant to use them. It's also not suitable for dogs who weigh more than 12 pounds. Patience and plenty of treats will be your best friend when training them to use the stairs. The steps are foldable, which makes them easy to stow away or take with you on road trips. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.